for our final project is, drumroll please, deforestation! Woo!
What is deforestation, you might ask? Why, great question. Deforestation is the action of cutting down and clearing forested land.
How does deforestation affect natural selection and the adaptation of species?
I'm so glad you asked. It affects the animal's natural habitat, affecting their genetic diversity and their traits, and decreasing their population.
Trees do many things for our environment and are very important. Some of the things they do include shielding us from the sun and wind, holding soil in and keeping it healthy. They improve the air quality, provide shelter and camouflage for many animals, and they're pretty yummy.
The type of natural selection is directional selection. This means that animals with one trait survive more than other animals with other traits. With deforestation, this means that animals that live in and off of trees suffer more without trees than animals that don't depend on them as much.
Some causes of deforestation include agricultural expansion, wood extraction like logging or wood harvesting.
Humans have been affecting animals and trees for thousands of years. There is evidence that saber-toothed tigers, mammoths, and giant ground sloths disappeared off the planet due to humans and their habitat destruction.
In an article we read, it says that there's a type of stonefly that has evolved to not have wings due to deforestation in New Zealand.
Studies show that one of the biggest reasons that animals go extinct or go endangered is habitat destruction.
So many animals that take shelter in trees, so cutting them down in big amounts only causes these animals to stress and to lose their homes, food sources, and their habitats.
If we don't do something about this problem, some possible consequences of this include an increase in climate, global warming, and greenhouse gases, and a decrease in food sources and resources that come from the trees.
One of the best solutions we could find to this growing problem is government regulation. Getting the government to set laws and enforce regulations on the amount and places that you can cut down trees.
Another solution we found was educating people about the types of things to buy and how they can help, making sure people know where they can donate to organizations that can help.
One problem we found with our solution was that the process of removing trees gives jobs to thousands of people, and so putting regulations on it would affect them.
To add to that, it's no guarantee that the government will invest time or money to solve this problem. There are times when the government refuses to cooperate with problems like this.
There are cons to it, but the pros outweigh the cons. If we focus on this problem, then we can improve the lives of many animals and help global temperatures and air quality.
Let's work together to solve this problem.